Let's talk about the importance of tax. Why is it so important for employers and employees to pay tax?
Well, it's very important to pay tax because tax is what any government uses to fund its public services, to fund developmental projects and programs. So without taxation, the government will not be able to provide the services that it provides, such as health, education, and road infrastructure, safety and security.
And all employees and employees are liable to pay tax under the law of the country.
That's very correct. Yeah, all the employees, all the employers, those who earn taxable incomes, they are allowed or they are liable to pay taxes. Yes.
Tax submissions, of course, are made on an annual basis. Why is it important for tax submissions to be made every year?
Well, it's important for tax submission to be done on a yearly basis because we have what we call year of assessment. So from the end of February to the end of February of the next year, during that time, that is what is called the year of tax assessment for individual taxpayers.
Yeah.
But by the 30th of June each year, by our law, all individual taxpayers, they are required to submit their tax returns so that the Department of Inland Revenue would then do the assessment to determine whether the individual taxpayer have really paid the amount due, and in case that they have not paid the correct amount or they have been under deduction by the employers, they will then be required to pay it up. So the 30th of June is not just a matter of submitting tax returns, but also one got to ensure that the tax amount that have been deducted by your employer is correct, and in case there is a deduction, under deduction, you have to pay up, because if you fail to pay up, you would be charged interest, and interest can be very heavy.